guys, check it out. Blue Movie back again. What's going on here? So just got finished doing my oil change. Liquid Molly 5W40, right? Percocets, Molly Percocets. No, don't do drugs, stay away from that. But Liquid Molly, right? Got that done. But what else am I doing? Okay, check it out. See these black reflectors? Black, look at me. See these yellow or amber, or some might say orange, reflectors right here? Time to get rid of that, because if you look at my car, I wrapped that black forged carbon fiber, obviously black. The trim that was right here, I wrapped that black. So now there's nothing on the car, and you know I got the black grill, all of that. There's nothing on the car that's amber. So bought it off of Amazon. I already did the driver's side. Now we're gonna do the passenger side. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So the first thing we gotta do is, let's turn the light on back here. Well, actually, hold on. Let's hook this here. So we're gonna take out, let's zoom out a little bit. We're gonna take out the these screws from back here. There's I'll probably take out 6 total. 1, 2, put the light on. There you go, right? We got 1 there, 2, 3, and there's, somebody gonna point in, 1 here, 1 here, and we're gonna peel this thing down and just tuck it over there. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it, and because you guys don't want to see me take screws out, so I'm gonna take it out, roll it back, then I'm gonna continue. Okay, got it all peeled back, right? A total of 3, 6, about 7 of the screws I took out. Now back here, see this part, that creamish one, that's the reflector, right? It's not held on by anything, so all you have to do is push it. Well, I can't say it's not held on by anything. It's not screwed in, it's held on by 3M tape. So you just push it, you see how it's kind of popping up there? You just push it and it's gonna come out. So I'm gonna try to hold the camera like this so you guys can see it, right? And I'm just gonna press, where are we? I'm just gonna press it in like that, and you're gonna see it's gonna come in from the inside. So here we go. Take some pressure, boy. Gotta get my, hold on, gotta get a good grip. All right, kind of tough to do that with one hand. I didn't think it was gonna be that hard to record it and do it. So anyway, I'm pressing. Like you can see, it's kind of going in right here. So let me just aim the camera on it, and I'm really gonna use, you know, 2 hands and apply pressure evenly. So can I get the camera? Hold on. All right, I can't really get a good grip, a good angle. Okay, that's fine right there. All right, now let me press them in. There you go. It fell right down there. Let me get that out of there. Okay, so back at it. So now you see I just pressed it out, right? Now you got to get this, get my hand over here. Hold on. You got to get this double side tape off of here. So just take your time slowly, and you know, as you roll it, it's going to slowly come off. So that probably took me like 5 minutes. So let me get this 3M tape off of here. I'm gonna spray it with a little Goo Gone, let that settle in, and then get it off. Then I'll pick it back up. Okay, so I cleaned it up. There you go, you probably can't really tell, yeah. See, got off the 3M. So now, this is what we're gonna do. This is the old one, right? This is what we're gonna do. So, old one, new one from Amazon. You just have to peel off the 3M and stick it down there, okay? So, that's what I'm gonna do to get it nice and hot so it can really stick to the car. Once I put it there, I'm gonna heat up this heat up this 3M a little bit. So you guys don't want to see me doing this, so let me pause it. Okay, got it nice and hot, nice and toasty. All right. All right, I can feel the heat on the back part of it. So now we go there and let me set the camera. Hold on. Okay, so there's no way I could actually hold this and put it on. So you just pretty much put it from the back and stick it on. Okay, so let me do that now, and I'm gonna hold it in place. There you go. You guys can see that. So sit the bottom on first, then press it in from the top. Now that it's on there, I'm gonna hold it while, squeezing it both directions for about 1 minute. Now I can feel the heat at the back of this thing, so I know for sure that heat went straight through the 3M from the top part straight to the back, which is good because now we're gonna get good coverage or adhesion all around. Okay, and there you go, sitting nice and flush. Okay, look at it from this view. There you go. Now it's not yellow obviously, so it's not reflective at the back anymore, but yeah, it's sitting in there nice. See that? Flush. And from here, if you made it this far, you just tighten this back up, put your rim back on or your wheel back on, and you are good to go. So fun fact, if you didn't know, if you have a 650i M package, right, M Sport package, it already come with powder coated black calipers. So I was thinking I was gonna do them blue, but since it's already powder coated black, I'm just gonna leave it black. It come with black calipers and black exhaust, but again, I got aftermarket exhaust. But yeah, so anyway, until next time, let's make it a blue movie. Wait, real quick. Now, never work on a car supported only by a floor jack, right? I have this one here. This is my 1.5 ton, so that's 3,000 pounds. And then I got my 3 ton down there, so that's 6,000 pounds. So even though I don't have my jack stand, I have 2 jacks supporting it. So know what you're doing. Don't be a casualty in your own garage, all right? Anyway, until next time, 6MT Life, Blue Movie, we out.